Everybody, my name is Martin and today I'm visiting a museum in Cherbourgh, and right behind me, in front of me, there is a massive submarine. I've never been inside one. This is part of the museum, so I'm gonna take you inside. I'm gonna show you around. I'm very excited, so let's go. I have no real idea what to expect. I don't know much about submarines. For what I can see, the boat or ship is 128 meters long and 10.6 meters in diameter. Started building the submarine in 1964. Construction was finished in 1967 and it came into active duty on 1st of December of 1971. Okay, right now we're walking off the stairs, down the stairs to the entrance. It's right over there. Usually it would be up there, I think. Right here you can see the missile pod. Could carry up to 16 missiles. And right here at the back of the tail there's the entrance. Let's go inside. So it looks like we have the engine right here. It's very cramped and still kind of noisy though. This is so tight. Okay, I bumped my head twice already. Since it's built in the 60s, everything looks pretty primitive. Kind of one of the engine rooms or control rooms of the Chernobyl plant. Some stairs over here, probably to go outside. So I think this would be one of the compartments which they could fill with water to sink the ship. To go submarine, of course. It's so big, it's bigger than my living room. It looks like spaghetti. Wonder what would happen if we touch this. I think we may go sail or something. I'm not sure. Some stairs up there. So, who remembers the documentary made about the Grand Bunker? You may recognize these. These pipes were used for communications. You can speak into them. And into another room they can hear you. So this looks like one of them computers which my dad used to have. This will probably be the corridor to the bunks. Let's see if we can visit them later, because this entrance is closed. Just look at it. Such technique. Looks like we're entering the control room. Tech periscope. Some radar. Seems some kind of map. Some looks like the pilots or captain. I don't know what you call them on a submarine. If you know, let me know in the description. Bump my head for a third time. Right here we have the captain's cabin. You definitely don't want to be too tall. I don't know how big the bed is, but it definitely doesn't seem like the 2 meters that I'm used to. Let's continue. Some other officer's chamber. How you doing, YouTube? Just look at it. Just another chamber. Oh damn! Right here we have the shower. And some other washing room, I think. And kind of important, the loo or the toilet. It says Cherbourgh medicine. I don't know if that would be the medic on board of the ship. And this will probably, oh, this is another officer chamber. And of course the kitchen with very important tool for military personnel, coffee machine. This looks really cozy. Look at the chairs. Some books and television over there. And on this side, some place to relax. Very cool. Right here we have a ladder with a hatch. I don't know if that would be the one to enter the ship. So right now we're going down some very small stairs. This is a storeroom. Probably to store some food or something. This is called the slops room. I don't know what they mean by that. But I think it will be the dishwashing room or something. And right here would be the main kitchen. Some large cooking pots. And on this side, the restaurant or the mess hall, what they call it. With another coffee machine. Some more corridor over here. Oh wait, the rooms upstairs were the officers' rooms. This would be the personnel. I think where the regular Navy employees would sleep. "12 people in one room. You can hear the snoring. Here we probably have some things what would be going on. Yeah, my French is really bad, so cannot translate anything for you. I'm sorry. This would be the other side of the mess hall. Very old television. Some more bunks. And right down there, it looks like the medical room. So right here there's the washing room for the personnel. 2 showers over here. Very small once again. I don't know if you can see it well. And still everywhere there's all valves and pipes going. Another toilet. It already is called the smallest room, but this one is even smaller. And right here, I think we're entering the front of the ship. Also known as the armory, I think. Because you can see where the bombs will be, the torpedoes. One is being put in the launch tube. Also one on this side. There will be the door to close it, I think. And right here we also have the exit of the submarine. And here you can see right in between the walls, the outside wall over here and the actual inside wall. Yeah, if I drop my phone right here, really fucked. So let's not do that. During my trip, there's some other things that I learned. Was able to carry a crew up to 135 people. It was a nuclear submarine. Its max speed was 36 kilometers per hour. And because it was a submarine, it was able to, nuclear submarine. It was able to power a city up to 100,000 citizens. So that's quite a lot of power in such a small, small, in such a small boat. It was able to stay underwater for 70 days straight, but often it would come above water more often, because it's not necessary these days to, or was not necessary in those days, to stay on the water for that long. That's amount of time. That's the video about this beautiful submarine. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Have a nice day.